Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
Child, welcome back to Wind Down with Lee and all her hysterics with her Microlocs. I'm going to be going ahead and getting me some knotless braids done on top of my Microlocs. If this is something that you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned until the end. Now, if you want to know why I'm doing this, go ahead and check out my last video. I explained to you in detail why I'm here at this point right now. All right. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I braided mommy's hair today, which was really easy because it's already parted out with her locks. So I didn't have to part it. I just had to grip her locks into the knotless.
And she did it so fast.
Braids.
Bro.
And we have mid-length knotless.
She'll show you that later. It took you how long now?
Like, started at 12, so 4 hours.
Yep, that's it.
I started at 12:34.
There you go. So 3 hours and some minutes. All right, we'll give you the scoop. Let you see the whole head.
The scoop.
Wow, I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Y'all probably say she always got somebody in her head that's from her family. Yes. My family does this, okay? There is always somebody in the corner pocket that can take care of the skull when needed. What? Hold on, y'all. Take out some meat, take out some shrimp, take out... Woo! Girl! Sorry.
Lean back. Yeah, just hold on.
Now you got me scared. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Now that's hot. Well, my hair is getting a good steam right now. I want to put some oil in my scalp. I should, huh? Put in some cold water, guys.
All done. All right. I'm getting good at these, bro. They look so good.
Y'all, I have taken my hair down very, very, very fast. I know. I did not realize that it was going to hurt so bad. Listen, two things I realized with getting these braids, and let me be careful while I'm cutting. One is my scalp is more sensitive now that I have locks. If you guys experience this, let me know. If you've tried having braids or some passion twist or anything like that in your hair and realize that your scalp just couldn't take it, but if you're like trying to put your hair in a ponytail and it's just that much more sensitive now, just tell me. I get a headache at the slightest pull of anything on my hair. And having these braids, I miss seeing my little afro puff, to be honest with you. And being able to just like get in the shower and run the water through my hair. There is nothing that compares to that. I miss being a loose natural at all. I love my locks and I can't wait for my next retwist. I didn't grease my scalp because I didn't want a lot of product to still be in my locks, even through these braids. I did spray my hair down with some peppermint oil and water just to help with the itching. I do have some bumps in the back of my head from this that has been bothering me. So that's another reason why I'm going ahead and take these out. And I think it's just because of how tight it was pulled. And my daughter does not typically have a heavy hand. So I think my head, like I said in the beginning, my head is just more sensitive to braids at this point. So this is where we at. It has been 8 days, I think. I lasted 8 days, and baby, if I cut a lock, I'm gonna cry. 8 good days. And you also know how you don't want to wash your hair when it's in braids, because I know me, I didn't want it to turn into a frizz ball. So yeah, this is the tail end of getting your hair braided when you have Microlocs. Lessons I've learned while having my hair braided. I was so excited getting it braided. So now we're just gonna move forward and let y'all watch me take these out. Oh, see that itch? And it pulls on my hair. I came outside so y'all can get a better look at this scalp, because baby, I'm about to go wash this, but I'm gonna band it first and then wash it. But my husband helped me show y'all the back of my hair. Boy, do I look something special right now, but I have, did I get them all? Dang it, I left 2 out. I'll go back and redo those, but I have banded everything, as y'all can see. And I braided them loose so I can get like my finger through it when I wash it, because if you haven't already seen my video from leaving Jamaica, y'all already know the story behind my locks right now until I get my next retie. So if you know, you know. If not, go check out the video where I tell you how I made that mistake with not putting a cap on my head while I was on vacation. All right, so now let's get to washing and close this video. All right, y'all, I'm done washing my hair. I've taken out my little plaits that you saw earlier, and this is the final look. So I will say my head feels a whole lot better. No soreness last night when I went to sleep, so I'm happy about that. I'll turn around and let you see the back. And yeah, that's that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and don't forget the like button as well if you like the content that I have been bringing to you as well. All right, bye.